Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get your Confluence API token. First, what you need to do is to go to Atlassian.com. Once in, you need to log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then from the options, go to your profile. Once inside the profile section, on the upper ribbon, click on Security. Once in the security section, under API tokens, go and create and manage API tokens. From here, you need to enter your 8-digit verification code sent to your email, so just go ahead and do that. Once the verification is done, you can go ahead and click on Create API Token button. Now in here, just name it. I will name it as Confluence. Then, you can also choose an expiry date for it. After that, just go ahead and click on the Create button. And there you have it. You now have your Confluence API token that you can copy and use. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.